Rahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is our next problem. Problem having been chosen from the same book Modern Physics by Paul 8 plus. As usual we first come to its statement. Okay. Suppose that you seal an ordinary 60-watt light bulb and a suitable battery inside a transparent enclosure and suspend the system from a very sensitive balance. Compute the change in the mass of the system if the lamp is on continuously for 1 year at full power. Okay. So dear students, this problem falls under relativity and we have to apply philosophy about power consumption. Moreover, our time unit is second, while here 1 year is given. Okay, so first we will find seconds of 1 year. Anyhow, we start our solution in a formal manner. Okay, solution. 1 year is equal to 365 days. This is equal to 365 into 24 hours. This becomes equal to 8760 hours. When it is further multiplied with 60, then it becomes minutes. Minutes become 52600 minutes. When we multiply with another 60, then it becomes seconds. Okay, so 1 year becomes equal to 31,53,6000 seconds. Now we know that 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second. Per second means 1 second. This implies that 1 watt into 1 second is equal to 1 joule. And when in place of 1 second we put so many seconds, then this factor will also be multiplied on right hand side. Okay, so multiplying both sides by this factor. Moreover, our watt is 60, not 1 watt. Okay, so when we will multiply with 60, then we will multiply with 60 on both sides. Okay, and hence right hand side becomes equal to 18921600000 joule. So this is our energy. In other words, this is E. This implies that E becomes equal to 18921600000 joule. Now we apply the formula, most famous formula, ABC of relativity, ABC of Einstein. Okay, E equal to mc square. This implies that m equal to E over c square. We have found E in our previous step, and we know that value of speed of light c is 2.998 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. Sometimes we take it 2.998, sometimes we take it as 3.0. Okay, no difference. We know that 1 joule is equal to kilogram meter square per second square. Okay, what we have done, we have simply replaced joule by its equivalent units. Okay, the benefit of this conversion will be that meter square per second square will be cancelled from a numerator and denominator, and our simplified answer will become 21.05 into 9 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 kg. Dear students, this 10 raised to the power 9 is actually nano, but here if we call this term as 21.05 nano kilogram. Then nano is also a prefix which means 10 raised to the power minus 9, and kilo is also a prefix which means 10 raised to the power plus 3. Okay, so two prefixes are not appropriate. Okay, nano and kilo both cannot be combined at a single stage. Okay, nano and kilo cannot be taken together. Okay, so we convert kilogram into gram. Okay, so our answer will become 21.05 microgram. Okay, this symbol mu, this is called mu, and this is the symbol of micro. Micro means 10 raised to the power minus 3, minus 6. Oh, sorry, minus 6. Micro and million or mega are reciprocal of each other. Okay, million or mega means 10 raised to the power plus 6, while micro means 10 raised to the power minus 6. Similarly, nano means 10 raised to the power minus 9, while giga means 10 raised to the power plus 9. Okay, anyhow, our we have reached our answer successfully, alhamdulillah. Okay, so mass m has become finally equal to 21.05 microgram, or 21.05 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 gram. And this is the end of our problem. This is the end of our video. Till next video, Allah Hafiz.